In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up roles within Zoho CRM to better manage your team's data access and responsibilities. Whether you're an admin setting up your team for the first time or someone updating existing roles, I'm going to guide you step by step through this process. So let's dive right in and start making your CRM more organized and secure. The first thing you'll want to do is fire up Google Chrome and navigate your way to Zoho CRM. Once you've reached the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. It's always a good idea to use Chrome, as it tends to be the most compatible browser for Zoho CRM, providing you with a smoother experience. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho CRM dashboard. From here, we'll head over to the Setup section. You can find this option in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a little wrench or gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Setup menu. Once you're in the Setup menu, you'll see a variety of options related to different aspects of Zoho CRM. You're looking for the Security Control section. Under Security Control, you'll see a tab labeled Roles. Go ahead and select that. This section is crucial because it's where you'll define the hierarchy and control how data is viewed and edited across your organization. Now it's time to create your role by clicking the Create Role button. When you do this, a new window will pop up, prompting you to define the role's hierarchy. Think carefully about how you want to organize this because it will dictate the level of access and responsibility within various team members. Typically, roles are arranged from broad managerial positions down to more specified task-oriented roles. You might have titles such as manager, lead, and associate. These titles should correlate directly to your team's structure and the level of access they require to effectively perform their jobs. The next step is assigning permissions for each module and defining the level of data access each role will have. This is perhaps the most critical part of your role setup. Consider which parts of the CRM each role needs to access daily. Modules you might consider include contacts, leads, and deals. You can tailor which team members can view, edit, or delete records within these modules based on their role in the hierarchy. Once you've sorted out the permissions, click Save. With the roles established, you'll want to assign your team members to their respective roles. Go to your list of users and start matching your colleagues to their new CRM roles. Double check that everyone is correctly assigned to ensure no discrepancies in data access. Finally, it's always a good practice to verify everything works as expected. Test the access levels by logging in as different users. This way, you can confirm that each role has the correct permissions and access to